Creating your XRP wallet is important to anyone who wishes to store XRP. Since the rise of cryptocurrencies, it is essential to have a good and convenient wallet. In this guide, we'll take a closer look at what MetaMask is and answer the question, is MetaMask on your list of acceptable wallets in the XRP space? And today's video is proudly sponsored by MyCryptoView, featuring Solana Multisender. Need to send tokens to multiple addresses? MyCryptoView's Solana Multisender tool is your solution. It's 50% cheaper than all other multisenders. Check it out to enhance your Solana airdrop distributions. Now let's continue. MetaMask is an Ethereum virtual machine wallet, also known as EVM wallet. It has a simple design and relatively sophisticated security measures, which will appeal to newcomers in the cryptocurrency space. Though MetaMask is an Ethereum browser extension wallet that accepts ETH and almost all ERC20 tokens, it does not accept XRP. If you are searching for an XRP wallet, then this guide is for you to create your XRP wallet free if you don't want to buy a hardware wallet. Step 1. Go to Exodus official website via the video description and click the download button. Step 2. On the download page, click on Download Exodus for desktop and install Exodus Wallet. This video guide is for the desktop version of Exodus. Step 3. After installation open, the wallet and a similar screen like the one below should display. Note: if your screen is different from the above, or when you open the wallet, you are prompted to create a password, then create a strong one and store it in a safe place. Step 4. Click the setting icon. Step 5. On the setting interface, click Backup. Step 6. Create a password and keep it safe. It is always recommended to store your password outside your laptop desktop. Step 7. Write down, print your word phrase and keep it safe. Recommended not to store on your laptop desktop. Step 8. Confirm your word phrase and click the Finish button. Step 9. Click the Assets button. Step 10. Search and click XRP. If you see a similar screen like the one below, well done, you've successfully created your first XRP wallet. Sign up for more crypto tools and educational crypto topics at mycryptoview.com and subscribe to our channel.